So, hi Chelsea, how are you today? I hope you are fine. So, I'm Janet, I'm from Austria, great country, and today is my 15th birthday. So, let's start. Why my 1D expertise make me the perfect co-host? Because they are my life. They stole my heart for the first time. So, I'm a directioner since the What Makes a Beautiful video. And I'm a proud direction. I can say it loud and I can shout it out. So, it all began with Zane, then Lou, Harry, Liam, and Niall, and today I love them all. At school, my friends say to me, you are too stupid or too crazy, but I don't care. I love you guys. And they taught me how to be best friends. They taught me how to don't care about the hater. I can't believe, how can they have hater? They are so jealous of them, I think. And when they don't care about the hater, they are so stupid. So, and I'm so proud of The Voice because they have over 7 million subscribers in 3 years. That is more than Justin Bieber or The Wanted, but I love Justin Bieber. And my last sentence is to Harry and to Louis, because we are all the directioners want Larry back. So, and now I should show something to you, Chelsea. That is my drawings for 1D. I hope I can send it to 1D. Also, best song ever. It's really the best song ever. The flag of England and Ireland. A letter to 1D. Yes. And one more drawing. So Chelsea, I hope you like it and I hope you choose me. Greetings from Austria. Bye.